Hello fellow makers, Father Printmas here. This is going to be a quick advent calendar print as it is Mrs. Printmas's birthday today. Wish her Merry Printmas in the comments below. So let's get on and do number 4 on our advent calendar 24 3D prints. Ho 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 ho! This is a fantastic 3D print. It looks like an FX model from when I was younger, many hundreds of years ago. But no, each one of these parts pops out and you can make yourself a beautiful Christmas tree decoration from this wonderful flat pack kit. Let's give it a quick try. This is fiddlier than I thought. Time for some clippers. Always keep the clippers on hand. I use these for clipping the Printmas reindeer's hooves. And there we have it. Ooh, ah. A wonderful 3D printed flat pack Christmas tree from this maker right here. Fantastic work. Find him on Thingiverse and give him a like, because this is a wonderful festive 3D print. Now I'm off to rub Mrs. Printmas's feet. Have a wonderful evening and a Merry Printmas.